With GoalSeek, you specify a target value for an account, and you determine the changes to a related account needed for you to achieve that target. For example, you can identify a sales target for a product and use GoalSeek to determine the change needed in the price per unit to achieve that sales target. When you use GoalSeek, you select the account value you want to change, an associated account to drive the change, and a time range over which to make the changes. Let's take a look at our forecast for product sales. Here you can see product sales for each year. For 2024, we are forecasting sales of a little over $811 million. Let's say we want to achieve product sales of $1 billion by the year 2024. Let's start by taking a look at how product sales are calculated. Product sales are calculated with a free-form formula that multiplies unit volume by price. In order to achieve product sales of $1 billion by the year 2024, how would our unit volume change? Our current unit volume for the years 2023 through 2024 is shown here. After selecting the product sales value for 2024, select GoalSeek. The account, scenario, and period are filled in based on the selected cell. Let's set our product sales goal. In the Adjust By section, I will select the unit volume account because we want to adjust unit volume to meet our sales goal. I'll select the range of time over which to make the change, 2023 through 2024. I'll adjust by the same amount in each period. Other accounts calculated as a percentage of product sales will be impacted if we change product sales. After we click Seek, the model is updated and calculated with the new values, and you can see the results across the chart of accounts. All impacted cells change to yellow, indicating the values that will change if we accept the results. To increase product sales by $811 million to $1 billion by increasing unit volume, we would need to increase the forecasted rate for unit volume by 11.57 in each period. Unit volume is calculated as a percentage increase over the previous year. So in 2023, for example, we originally forecasted a 5% increase from the previous year. If we want to achieve product sales of $1 billion by 2024, we need to increase the forecasted rate for unit volume by 11.57 from 5 to 16.57. If you prefer to explore different GoalSeek options, you can cancel the results. I'll accept the results. The forecast will have the built-in change for unit volume. All other impacted accounts are also updated. You can set goals on the account view or on a report. For example, on the income statement, we can set a goal for an account in the same way that we set a goal from the account view. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.